Hi guys, this is Hardware Set Info channel, and today I will show you how to set mobile data limit on your TCL 40 NxtPaper. Our first step to do this is from main menu we must go to the settings, where we have search settings. We press on it and write mobile data usage. We click mobile data usage and now navigate to this option, mobile data usage, where we have the gear icon. We press on it and after that we can change our mobile data limit. First function, mobile data usage size, where we can set our data of each month, probably first of each month. Click set. We can turn on this first function, set data warming, and change it from gigabyte, megabyte, and how much you want. And the last function is set data limit. We can turn on it, confirm by OK, and now we can change it in gigabyte, megabyte too, and how much we want. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.